Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming one clear assumption: tempo, scale, or instrument. Open Chrome Music Lab and select the tool you will use, like SongMaker. Once there, reduce variables, use one track, pick a scale, set a fixed tempo. This focus lets you see cause and effect quickly. You are testing a single hypothesis, so keep edits minimal. As you place notes, listen for how that assumed element shapes the result. You'll iterate faster with fewer moving parts. Now you test the assumption through controlled variations. Create 3 versions: a baseline, a slightly higher change, and a slightly lower or alternate scale. Use short loops, 4 to 8 bars, so you can hear differences quickly. Toggle instruments or effects only if needed, otherwise keep them constant. As you play each version, note changes in rhythm, texture, and mood. You are isolating the variable to understand why it matters, so listen critically and jot quick. To finish, pick the variant that serves your intention and tighten the composition. You refine note timing, lengths, and dynamics, and then nudge tempo or instrument balance in small steps. Once done, compare the refined version against your original baseline to confirm improvement. Make sure to save versions so you can backtrack. If something goes wrong, revert to the baseline and retest only one variable at a time. This troubleshooting rule prevents confusion and reveals which assumption actually caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.